Go to Notepad++ editor and then create a new file. Then start with the basic structure of an HTML page. Now inside the body section, start with the tag called form and simultaneously end it. So whatever you write inside this form tag will be the code for your form. Now let me start with name. So for that, give a label and write NAME name, then close the label and then write input type equals text and then close the tag. So this input tag will help you to set the type of text or type number you want to accept from the user as input. So here we want to take name as input from the user. So we have set the input type to text. Now there are certain attributes of this input tag called autofocus. Autofocus will basically give a focus, extra focus to your input, and then required. Writing required will make your field mandatory, and if the user skips the field, it will show a message that this is a required field. Now there is another attribute called ID. You can skip this or give it. This ID will basically help us to write CSS code for this input type. So I'm using it here. Now let us save this. I'm saving it on my desktop. Give it a name, suppose form.html, and save this. And now let us run it. So as you can see, here is the label name. So you can write your name here. Yeah, like this. And if you don't write anything, then it's saying please fill out this field. Now to make the user understand that this is a kind of form, let us give a heading, each one, which says sign up form. And then close the h1 tag. Now let us save this. Now get back to your web browser and reload this. So as you can see, here is my h1 tag which says sign up form, and here is my label name with the input type text. So now you know how to set a name field in your form. So get back and try it yourself.